Let's go to the jungle, pack a treat. Froggy and the boy with happy feet. A picnic day with fun and play in the jungle. Hooray! Hooray! Into the jungle off we run with a basket full of picnic fun. Bananas, berries, juice and bread. Oh look, the little froggy said. Time to eat, the froggy grinned, but jumped too far right in the wind. The fruits all flew and made a mess. The boy just laughed, "You're the best." They climbed a rock, they crossed a log with tiny steps and jumping frog. The birds above went chirp, chirp, chee. Froggy croaked a melody. Suddenly came a sneaky sound. A monkey swung and danced around. He took their bread and made a slide. Froggy yelled, "Let's monkey ride!" The rain comes down, drip, drop, drop. The boy held leaves from bottom to top. Froggy giggled under the shade. This rainy jungle picnic made. They splashed in puddles, hop, hop, hop. With every jump they couldn't stop. Muddy toes and leafy hair. They danced around without a care. They found a cave with leafy walls, a cozy home when raindrop falls. They snuggled close on mossy mats and told their tales with jungle hats. Story time while thunder rolled. The boy retales brave and bold. Froggy blinked and leaned in tight, listening close in jungle light. Oh, Froggy's picnic was surprise delight, with jungle jumps and rainy light. The boy and Froggy, what a pair, laughing loud at care. Come again on the jungle train, with Froggy's fun in sun or rain. Click subscribe, don't miss the show. We're off to dance and giggle.